What's up, guys? We are heading out on a quick weekend getaway, and we're going to a model train show in Indianapolis area. So this is going to be quite interesting. My father is really into model trains. It's his hobby, and so my wife, Savannah, dog Buddy, and I are going to join my mom and dad on this weekend adventure. So follow along, and we'll see where this trip takes us. All right, wave at the camera. Our first stop is in a little town called Casey, Illinois. Their slogan is "Big Things in a Small Town." I've heard of this town before, but I've never been myself, so I made it a priority stop on the way to Indiana. We are going up in the giant mailbox. This is crazy. I didn't even know you could do this. It's not every day you can say you have been inside of a mailbox before. We made it up. Hey Mom, is it every day that you can say you've been inside a giant mailbox?
I cannot say that. I have today though.
First time for everything. The view of the town.
You see your lovely wife down there?
I do. She's there. You can actually ship mail in this mailbox. That's pretty cool. Back down the stairs.
Making me dizzy because I came up so fast.
Hey, Dad.
I told you.
You didn't join us. Well, isn't this nifty?
You found the railroad track. You little waterfall. Waterfalls of Illinois.
Oh, would you look at that little thing? Little tracks.
A little flat car.
Whisk and Lolly's Bakery and Candy Shop. Oh. Giant wooden shoe.
Good morning.
Hi. Please do not get in the shoes. Whoa. Looks like people drop money in there. Like a wishing well. Money thrown in the wooden shoes for good luck will be donated to the Casey Food Pantry. I want some good luck. So, one for me and one for you.
Coffee company? Inclusive Outfitters. That's your dad. Yes, that's your dad. This way. And crochet hook. I guess it is. 3 times.
World's biggest cycler. How many railroads come through? Didn't even know.
There's the world's largest rocking chair right there.
Stairs to go up.
I can find it.
big rocking chair. We have made it to the giant teeter-totter. Even says do not jump on the teeter-totter. Wow. I feel it shaking. This is crazy. I'm getting to the top of the teeter-totter. Oh, it's a little shaky up here. My mom's over there ringing the giant wind chimes. I don't know if you can see her right over there. You know, the signs say don't jump on the teeter-totter, but that just makes me want to jump more. I won't do it, but it just makes me want to. We made it to the giant wind chime. And I've been told that you can ring it. Wow. We're gonna do it. We're gonna ring it. That's a big wind chime, all right.
Spooky. That's a big old key. I'm a happy guy. Would you look at? I'm a happy guy.
We made it to the world's largest golf tee. That's on the golf course here in Casey. What you doing up there?
Just chilling.
Just chilling?
Chilling like a villain. You want to see Buddy Bear?
Do I want to see Buddy Bear? Oh, there he is. He has no idea what's going on.
Walk down there to it, Garrett.
Sure can.
Little path on.
We made it to the world's largest pitchfork. It's at a little restaurant here, and it's home of the 1 pound pork chop. If you don't know what a pork chop is, it's a midwestern thing. That's a big old pitchfork. Pretty neat. This town had a lot of charm. It was very, very cool. I would not mind stopping in here again. Casey was about the halfway point to our destination. As we crossed into Indiana, we were getting closer to the train show. We made it to the train show.
Yeah.
Gotta go find my dad. He's already walking around.
Pretty setting.
Yeah.
Candy Cane Transit. We made it. Yeah. We're at the train show.
Yeah.
Show your shirt, Dad.
O gauge or no gauge?
This next part in the other room is the layout space. Each vendor can make a small section of a layout, and then they put it all together to make one big layout. It was pretty cool to see the different styles on display. Now that we've seen everything there is to see here at the train show, it's time to head to our Verbo for the weekend and get checked in and drop off our luggage. There's a great little space on a river, which I'll show you that in a little bit. Down here, they have a little swinging bed, and on the lower level is mainly storage. Then they also have some canoes and kayaks over there, which I love kayaking, so I might take advantage of that. But the main living level is upstairs. Looks like this house is on stilts, which is smart just in case it decides to flood. And then you can see the river right there in the background. Beautiful area. Leaves are turning. Nice, vibrant colors. And then big Pimpin' Boulevard. A lot of very fun artwork in here, which I'll show you in a minute. But the front entrance is technically over here. No weenies allowed. Well, I hope that's not. And also, that's what she said. Like I said, a lot of different artwork in here that's very, very interesting. So you enter right here. And some artwork. The last owners of this Verbo had cats, or a cat. And so there's a lot of cat artwork. But one of the bedrooms here. The bathroom. Some fun little bathroom decor. This one was very interesting where the light switch is. Oh. And the other bedroom is right here. It's nice and just enough room, right? And this is the main living space. Walks right into the kitchen. Comes with a dishwasher, full fridge, everything you need to cook, if that's what you decided to do. And then it opens right up to the living room here. Super, super nice space. And then these sliding doors here go right out to where we entered at the stairway. So you can open these doors and get a lot of natural air coming in and light. They're very quirky with their artwork. Say hi, Savannah.
Hi.
We made it to Mr. Muffins Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. Wait till you see the layout inside. It's pretty amazing.
Do you like it? So give it a hug.
Aww. People love to watch that stuff. After visiting the layout, we checked out the train store and hobby store before heading back into Tipton, Indiana for dinner. For dinner, we went to The Shack, which is in downtown Tipton. This was a great spot to eat and had many different varieties, including a pizza buffet and salad bar if you were real hungry, and it also had other grill items on the menu. We ordered the Santa Fe egg rolls and cheese curds for an appetizer. My dad ordered the creamy Cajun pasta. My mom ordered the Shack Stack original burger. Savannah ordered the chicken wings, and I ordered a classic cheese pizza. My pizza was way bigger than I expected. I could have easily went down one size. After we were finished eating, I had to check out the loft, which was upstairs. The vibes were awesome up here. I had to challenge my dad in a friendly game of pool. When my dad was younger, he used to be in pool leagues and was really good. Stay tuned to see who wins this matchup. I actually can't believe I beat him. My mom said he lost his touch. Just outside on the patio was a great view of the town, a perfect way to end Friday night. For the rest of the night, we went back to our Verbo and took it easy in the living room since tomorrow was going to be a full day of activities.
Okay, off. Tickets to breakfast. And where are we going again?
Erica's place, right?
Erica's place.
Get some breakfast. Oops, I forgot my energy drink. Go well. We're coming back. Okay. Oh,
Right.
okay.
Okay, Erica, we're about to descend upon you.
Sounds awful.
We made it to the town of Cicero, Indiana, which is closer to our Verbo than the other places we've been to. Cicero has a nice downtown as well, and I can't wait to get some breakfast. Propane sold here.
That's a cool truck.
Yeah.
Wait, is this like still a railroad? Or is it?
No, it's not a class one. It's just for excursion.
Oh.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Erica's place was a pretty classic breakfast spot, and let me tell you, it was really busy, but it was also delicious. We are full of food.
Yeah. So much food.
So much food. Cicero also sits on a lake, which is something that I really enjoy, and we'll get into that a little bit later. But for now, it's time to head back to the train show up in Tipton and spend some more time there.
And a Halloween train.
Ready for day 2 of the train show. We are going in. A special thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Muffin for hosting the train show in Tipton. We had a great time and appreciate your hospitality. After we left the train show, we went back to Mr. Muffin's layout and also his train store, where my dad decided if he was going to buy anything or not. Once we left the train show, hobby shop, and layout, it was time to head to lunch. My dad's birthday was a week ago, and we told him to choose where to go. He chose Main Moon Chinese Restaurant. Are you excited?
Yeah, sorry.
Are you ready for Chinese? Are you ready for Chinese?
Yes, I am.
Yes, this was your decision, your choice.
Yeah, I know. So don't beat me if it ain't good.
Deal. My mom, dad, and I each got the sweet and sour chicken. They got the full combo, and I just got the chicken. And my wife got the chicken chop suey. After lunch, we walked around Tipton in the downtown area and just went to a few different stores. We went to a thrift store and a couple boutiques.
Christmas time is here.
Not even November yet, and it's Christmas time.
New cheer. I don't know the words.
Me either. I just go,
They kind of mixed it in with fall.
It says, please do not climb on ladder, but that just makes me want to do it more. This is the Tipton County Courthouse. I truly love the old courthouse buildings and the clock towers. It's just a classic, so I had to walk around on the grounds there for a moment. After doing some window shopping, we went back to our Verbo and just hung out for most of the evening until we decided to go back out to Cicero and wanted to get some ice cream and walk around the boathouse. string lights, and they even had some live music and entertainment. And there was a fall festival also going on across the lake, and so it was really busy everywhere. We could barely find a parking spot, but it was a great night just to explore a little bit. It's day 3, time to head to breakfast. Woo! Woo! Heading to the boathouse in Cicero, Indiana.
Boathouse.
Great views. We have arrived at Cicero Boathouse. Should say boathouse in Cicero, Indiana. I'm a sucker for lake views and boathouses, and I'm ready to eat some breakfast, that's for sure. Pretty hungry. I don't usually eat this late. It's 9 a.m. Eastern time. I've never been to a place like this that has the decor like this. There's a boathouse in St. Louis that doesn't really have decorations like this. Little fishes in there. Came by here last night. There's an ice cream place across the street. So we got some ice cream and walked around, and they have all these string lights lit up and live music, and it was a vibe for sure. Outdoor patio there. Van's all loaded up and we're ready to hit the road.
Woo!
Ready to go.
But we have to make one stop on the way out of town. After packing up and heading out of our Verbo, we had to stop at a Wawa nearby. We don't have any Wawas nearby the St. Louis area, and after watching a video from Sophia Nygaard, my apologies if I pronounced that wrong, who compared Wawas, Sheetz, and Buc-ee's on a recent video, we knew we had to check the place out. I will put that video in the description below. It was a fun watch. Made it to the Wawa. Where are we?
Buc-ee's is better.
We're at the Wawa.
It's got a little bit of energy boost. Excuse me, sir. How was the cleanliness of the bathrooms?
It was very clean, but very small.
Okay, good.
These are the best soda machines. I like to drink Sprite Zero. There's not a whole lot of Sprite Zero options in fountain soda. These are awesome. Well, that was the end of the trip. We just dropped my parents off at their house, and it was a great time. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if so, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Who knows where the next adventure is going to take us, right?
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.